climate change represents one of the most daunting challenges facing humanity today. Our planet is warming at an alarming rate, leading to more frequent and severe weather events, rising sea levels, and devastating impacts on biodiversity. The evidence is irrefutable, and the message clear, urgent, collective action is required to mitigate these effects and steer our world toward a sustainable future. This essay explores a multifaceted approach to combating climate change, focusing on the pivotal role of renewable energy and other critical strategies. The need for action grows more pressing with each passing day. As global temperatures climb, the window for effective intervention narrows. We are already witnessing the consequences of inaction, from scorched forests to flooded cities. Yet amidst these challenges lies an opportunity to transform our societies and economies in ways that promote both environmental sustainability and human well-being. This transformation requires a comprehensive approach, one that integrates various strategies from renewable energy expansion to innovative policy reforms. Each component plays a crucial role in the broader fight against climate change. By understanding and implementing these strategies, we can forge a path towards a resilient and sustainable future. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. In the context of climate change, that step is acknowledging the problem and committing to action. The following sections will delve into the various strategies that together form a blueprint for our sustainable future, emphasizing the need for immediate and collective action. Renewable energy stands at the forefront of strategies for mitigating climate change. Harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water, we can generate electricity without the carbon emissions associated with fossil fuels. Solar panels and wind turbines have become symbols of hope, their presence a testament to a commitment to change. These technologies are not only cleaner but increasingly cost-effective, often rivaling or even undercutting traditional energy sources in price. Globally, the shift towards renewables is gaining momentum. Countries like Germany and China have made significant investments in solar and wind energy, setting powerful examples for the world. In 2023, renewables accounted for an estimated 30% of global electricity production, a figure that is expected to rise as technology improves and costs decrease. This shift not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions, but also diminishes reliance on volatile fossil fuel markets, enhancing energy security. Despite these advances, the transition to renewable energy is not without challenges. Infrastructure needs to be upgraded, and energy grids must be adapted to accommodate variable power sources like wind and solar. Moreover, there is a pressing need to increase storage capabilities to ensure a steady supply of power even when the sun isn't shining and the wind isn't blowing. Addressing these challenges requires continued innovation and investment. The expansion of renewable energy is a critical step in our journey towards a sustainable future. It embodies the shift from exploitative and unsustainable practices towards a model that respects and harnesses the natural world's rhythms. As we delve into the next sections, the interconnected roles of energy efficiency, transportation, and other strategies will further illustrate the comprehensive approach needed to combat climate change. Energy efficiency is a cornerstone of sustainable development. It involves refining the way we use energy to do more with less, thereby reducing our environmental footprint. This principle applies across various sectors, from buildings that need less energy for heating and cooling to industrial processes optimized for minimal energy consumption. Effective energy efficiency measures can significantly reduce the demand for energy, thus decreasing the strain on our planet. In residential and commercial buildings, for instance, simple changes like upgrading to LED lighting and energy-efficient appliances can lead to substantial reductions in energy use. These technologies are not only more sustainable but also cost-effective over their lifespan, offering savings on utility bills. Moreover, modern building standards and codes are increasingly mandating such efficiencies, driving a broader shift towards lower energy consumption. Transport and industry also play crucial roles in energy conservation. Advances in technologies like electric vehicles and heat pumps are pivotal. These tools help us reduce the energy intensity of our transportation and manufacturing, cutting down on both costs and emissions. The transition to electric vehicles in particular has the dual benefit of reducing emissions while also increasing demand for renewable energy. The pursuit of energy efficiency is a testament to the principle that every watt saved is a step towards sustainability. It requires innovation, investment, and commitment across all sectors of society. As we explore further, the integration of energy efficiency with renewable energy sources becomes a powerful alliance against climate change, demonstrating the multifaceted approach needed to tackle this global challenge.